Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Welcome. We've had a few technical issues this morning, but we are back on air again later than advertised, and I apologise for that. We had some technical issues with Restream, and I've got some audio coming through here. I need to fix this. Okay. I think we're back up and running now. We had a few technical issues. Let me restart my stream over on TikTok, and hopefully everybody will come and join us. Slightly different structure this morning. There we go. Okay, I think everyone's starting to come back in now. Good morning everyone. A few technical issues here this morning with Restream. It's their end. So I'm not on any other service right now. We're only on YouTube and TikTok from my phone. We're not actually over anywhere else. We can't be multi-streaming this morning. There are issues, but we are back here on YouTube. Okay, I think we're all good. Let me get straight into our positions now. Here we are. Now this morning we've got, I need to reset this screen, of course. There we go. Hopefully that's better. Right, welcome everybody. Thank you very much indeed for being here. Who's in the stream right now? Everything looks a bit different for me, so I apologize if I don't see everyone's comments straight away. Robinhood stock going up, says Engineer X. Thank you so much indeed. Good morning, Mario. Welcome to Mario as well. Thank you very much indeed. We're getting a lot of different things on the screen this morning. People's comments are a lot bigger, so I apologize. Wow, we are here. Yes, we are here on YouTube. Nowhere else, not on Twitch. We're not multi-streaming this morning. We're broadcasting using a different service. William Wallace, good morning to you. Hi, Martin. How amazing that you made it. It's been a few glitches. Well, it's a morning in New Jersey. Yes, indeed. Afternoon, says Craig. Hello, Mike. Welcome all. Right, we're preparing for why the market's up and down like this. Well, they're up and down for a very good reason. We've got the CPI tomorrow and Jerome Powell the next day. It's going to be an amazing, but good or bad, we don't know, explosive week. And the Santa rally is predicted from me, at least anyway. Hopefully CPI will come in good in the low 7s and will be all right. Martin, is it possible not everyone can join as a member and I don't see the join button? It's depending on your device that you've got. Everyone can join. ETORO, you can join as a member. Let me give you the link in the chat. Let me give you the link right now. Here's the invitation to join. This will come up. It's because of your device, whatever you're using. Here is the invitation to join in the chat. There you go. Everyone can join. It's at pre-market jump. It's at pre-market jump. What do you mean? We're not. This isn't the pre-market. We are in the actual market now. I don't know what you mean by that. Anyway. So this morning, so first of all, I just want to start again and apologize to everyone. We had major technical issues. It's beyond my control. I was doing everything I could to fix it, but actually it was nothing to do with me. It was to do with Restream. Restream are unable this morning to take scheduled events. That's what's happening. They've accepted it on this. They've apologized and so on. So I had to reset everything, and that's what's caused the problems this morning. Market's down because Martin wasn't here in the usual time. Bring good vibes. Rob Brennan, how are you, mate? Yeah, major down this morning. We are preparing for the CPI tomorrow and Jerome Powell. We'll be here live with it one way or another. If I have to use the backup service like today, I will. This morning, I bought another 6 shares of Rivian at $25.90, all-time low. Even before the markets opened. That's why you set limit orders. So I'm very happy about that. Picked up $25.90. Lucid set at 8. We're getting massive drops here this morning across everything. I apologize for all the screens refreshing. It's because my entire system had to be reset. So obviously I'm not fully up and running as I would be normally. Anyway, I've got buys set at everything if we do go lower. Got to be careful how much I buy. Of course, I run out of money. I don't have a limitless pot. Anyway, thanks. But for me right now, the links leads to your channel overview page. Now, the links leads to your channel overview page. That link should take you. Can everyone confirm, please, that this link here is the invitation to become a member? You can use that. It does work. ETORO says he can't see the invite link. ETORO, that is the invite link. CVNA Cavanta 0, or is it going to squeeze like GameStop? I wouldn't touch it with a barge pole. It's got no money. It's losing money. I wouldn't even compare it. Even consider GameStop, AMC, all this stuff. It's ridiculous. Why would you even consider anything like that? That is all speculative. That is all gambling. I wouldn't touch any of it with a barge pole. I apologize for all the screens refreshing. We had a major technical issue this morning, and we're having to reset all my streaming software as we're on air. So that's why you're not getting a nice stream this morning. Anyway, Google is down 0.62. Microsoft is up 2% now. I'm up 7% on Microsoft now. Very nice indeed. Meta today is down 1.83. What's your portfolio total today? My portfolio total today is 41.9. Dropping all over the place. It's awful to watch this, but it's expected because the CPI is tomorrow. Jerome Powell, of course, is speaking on Wednesday. We're covering all of it live here on the show. I'm up 19% now on Walmart. Target is down today. I'm under with Target now. So we got buys set in? No, I haven't got any. Oh, so yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have a target limit of 140. Oh, it's getting pretty close as well. Not that far away. Tesco, I'm still up on Tesco's. Canoe, it's flat. Tilray Brands, I'm actually down now. Yep, I'm flat. I had $1,800 there, but never mind. Bitcoin SV is pumping again today, up 5%. There you go. BTC is also up today, 0.49. Ethereum is up 0.23 as well. All right, okay. Anyway, I apologise again for the technical glitch. It was Restream. They're trying to fix it. Anyway, we now know we can get around it another way. I can stream directly to YouTube. I can't be anywhere else, but at least I'm here with you guys on YouTube. All right, which is the most important thing anyway. Okay, Mark Korn has been a member for 10 months. I'm sure it was 12. I can't scam it. I can't change it. I can't mess around with it. It is what it is, Mark. I'm sure it was 12. You obviously joined... in January or February, I think. Anyway. There you go. 10 months. Don't forget, it only does 30 days. It could be 11 months tomorrow. All right. Morning, boys and girls. Space update. More space update. The only information I have from space this morning is more jobs filled as well, which is always good to see, but nothing more than that. So more jobs filled, more jobs advertised, business as usual, stocks up. It's not gone low enough for me to buy any more, but there we go. Anyway, good morning to Mark. Good morning to Alex. Welcome to all of you this morning. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for being here. Mark Korn as well. Mark celebrates 10 months of membership. There you go. Fantastic. Lovely to have you here, Mark. Thank you very much indeed. All right. So tomorrow, CPI report. It's a huge day tomorrow. CPI report. We want it in the low sevens. And of course, on Wednesday, we got Jerome Powell. So are we expecting a Santa rally? Let's do a quick poll. Does anybody expect a Santa rally? Do you think this is the sell-off before everything rallies up? It's bloody freezing. Yes, it is over there in England, especially with the price of electric, I'd imagine. Start a poll. Let's ask the question. Will we get a Santa rally? I think so. I think the CPI will be good. I think inflation has peaked. It did last month. Let's see if it does again. So if it does, if it's in the low sevens and Jerome Powell is 0.5%, we'll have a nice rally. Will we get a Santa rally? Yes or no? What do you guys think? Let's see what everybody thinks to that. ETORO, would someone try and help ETORO out? He wants to become a member, and he says he can't see the membership link. It's not on Android or certain devices. It's on the browser, and it's also on this link. So ETORO wants to become a member of our channel. He's feeling left out. If anyone can help him, that would be great. All right. Anyway, where are we this morning? Looking good so far. All right. Let's have a quick sip of coffee. This morning, I picked up, despite what Meet Kevin is saying about Rivian and Lucid going bankrupt, I got another 6 shares of Rivian. Lowered my average dramatically. I bought it at 25.90, all-time low. Was anybody think about that? 25.90 this morning on Rivian. Very, very happy with that. Powell announced 50 basis point at the next day. Space will announce test flight. Hey, there's no more test flights. We're flying now with customers. The next time we hear from Virgin Galactic, we're flying with paid customers. That's where we are, Alex, with Virgin Galactic. Let's move on past those test flights. We're moving to real flights now. But I agree with you, 50 basis points, which is great. Slowing down. But what's more important, the CPI tomorrow, it needs to come in on the low sevens. But then on Wednesday, what we need to hear from Jerome Powell is the fact they're going to start slowing and lowering rates going forward. That's what we need. What we don't need is a longer time of 0.5%. That's the same as, fewer 0.75 rates. So we need to not only have a 0.5, but now we're going to have less of them and slowing it down and start reverting. That's what we want to hear tomorrow. And that will bring us a Santa rally. What happened to your Saturday gig? Oh my gosh. Saturday, thanks for asking. I now know you read the newsletter, which is good to know. On Saturday, somebody very wealthy, hired out the whole venue and brought their own DJ along. So my gig was cancelled. So that wasn't good for me. That was my job on Saturday night. I was going to be earning money on Saturday night, but they cancelled me. So I wasn't very happy with that. Then England lost in the World Cup as well. So that I wasn't very happy with that. I'm struggling with my glasses. I can't see very well. I'm unhappy with that. And I woke up this morning and Restream's not working. And I'm unhappy about that. So I have got lots to moan about this morning. And my portfolio's down. However, the family is here. And the family waited for me. So that's more important. I'm losing money on my job. I'm losing money on my portfolio. England are out of the World Cup, but everybody's here. Anyway, that's all that matters. Yeah, awful bloody weekend. Rubbish weekend. But anyway, whatever. What do you do? Anyway, let's go back to the main screen and see. Right then, hang on a minute. We've got 27 watching with 12 likes. Can everyone smash the like button? Let me put a timer on the screen. This ain't no good. This ain't no good. I said chicky, pow, pow. I said chicky, pow, pow. Moan on. It's your show, Martin. Right, smash the like button. We've got 12 likes. We need at least, there's 30 people watching now. Smash the like button, guys. If you want the money to go up, if you want everyone to make money today, smash the like button. Let's see it. Come on, let's see the likes coming on in now. There we go. We got 13. Let me zoom into the screen. so you can see. Look, we got 13 likes. There's 30 watching, 27 watching right now, 13, 14. Come on, let's get it. There we go. You can see the likes coming on the screen when someone likes it. See your little thumb? 15 likes. Smash the like button, guys. 16 likes. Chiggy, chiggy, chiggy. Pow, pow. There we go. All right, good stuff. Mr. Lucas, you are awesome. Mohammed Kahain, welcome to you. Thank you so much indeed for everybody that's come on in this morning. There we go. We've got a few more likes. What happens if we hit the down like? I don't know. Try it. Today it looks different. If you do an unlike and a like, do it again, because we're streaming directly on YouTube today. We're not going through Restream. Look, see? Can you see all the thumbs go up on the screen? If you go like, down, like, down, like, can you see it? You can see it on the screen. You actually get thumbs up on the screen. Try it. Everyone try it. You can see it. Because today it's different. We're going directly to YouTube. We're not going through Restream because of their technical issues this morning. So you can actually see your thumbs up and thumbs down. But make sure that it stays on the thumbs up, though, once you've played the little game, though. I want to become a member. Got to pay some bills first. I'm at work. I'm working. I'm at work, man. Possibly the end of January. Great. There we go. See, someone did a down like. Someone did a down like. Can you fix that? Because I'm now seeing it on the screen. Yeah, it did a down like. Get rid of that. That's bad for my analytics, that is. Thank you so much. Mario wants to become a member. Here is the invitation to join. You can become a member from just a couple of bucks a month. It supports the live shows, keeps it all live. That's why I go live up to 10 hours a day. There we go. There you go. There you go. Someone has fixed it. We've got 17 likes now. No down likes. There you go. See all the thumbs up on the screen. It's quite cool, that, isn't it? See it? Yeah. Can you actually see the thumbs up your end? I want to see if anyone can see that. Can you all see it? I'm looking on the screen to see if you can actually see that. I saw it. Let me see. Did you see it? I'm just trying to see on the screen if you actually see that. This is a new way of streaming this morning because of the technical issues. No, I don't think you do you? I don't think you do see it. I'm just watching back what you're watching, and it doesn't look like you do see it. No, you don't see it. Ah, okay. Comments and reactions. Yeah, you don't see that. No, okay. I was getting all these thumbs up on the screen. I don't think you do see it. Anyway, it doesn't matter because hopefully we'll be back on Restream and it'll all be different. There's more rumours that Lucy is going bankrupt. Is that all smoke? I believe so. It's a lot of, a lot of rumours. Same thing with Rivian. Rivian apparently going bankrupt as well. That's why their shares have gone down. I bought some more this morning. I bought another 6 shares at $25.90. Lucid, I'm trying to buy at 8. Apparently, apparently Lucid are going bankrupt. I've not had a company yet I've invested in go bankrupt. And of course, if I do, that'll be massive drop in my portfolio because there's $1,800 there. I'm down $800 as well. I should have $2,500 there. So I certainly hope not. I don't know. I don't believe so. They seem to have plenty of money to me, but who knows? Who knows what's going on inside the company? I mean, if it goes any lower, be a penny stock. I certainly hope not. Anyway, 8.36. I mean, what do you do? Keep buying it when it goes lower? At what point does it pick up? I mean, it's a worry. Elon Musk has said it, but I'm not really, look, Arrival's going bankrupt for sure. Arrival's going bankrupt, but anyway, what can you say? 42,105. The S&P 500 is up today. Do you know what? You'd be so much better off, just putting all your money on the S&P 500 in this market right now. See, sometimes if you believe that Lucid is going bankrupt, it's better for me to take a loss, lose $800, which is where I am now. I'm down $800. Sell all of that, get $1,800 out, and buy the S&P 500. Because you know what? That isn't going bankrupt. S&P 500 ain't going bankrupt, and it's not my all-time low, but it is down a lot compared to where it was a year ago. At least your money's safe, and you can make it again. Today we will hear if Congress will pass safe banking. Tilray will pop, my favourite stock. Let's hope so. There you go. It's moving already. Tilray Brands is, I've got 1,000 shares. I'm at 1.26. Will pass safe banking. Let's hope so. US prosecutors are considering charging crypto exchange Binance and its executives with money laundering and sanctions violations. Wow, Lucid really going bankrupt. Kidakazi, I don't think so. But what do I know? You know, I know as much as you do. I don't think Lucid's going bankrupt, but maybe it is. I've no idea. So what do? Buy it when it's down? However, you could lose all your money if it does. But remember, companies don't go bankrupt immediately. Look at Arrival. Arrival has been down here now for weeks, a couple of months now. You know, at 23 cents. It's not gone bankrupt overnight. I mean, obviously you've lost 90% of your money, but there's still some money in there. Do you buy it when it's cheap and go, great, I can buy a stock, you know, on its knees, or is it literally junk now? I don't know. Lucid's still not a penny stock. $5 is a penny stock. We're not there yet. Is it a buying opportunity? Well, I still think so, but you have to buy low. I mean, I'm like trying to buy it at 8 now. I'm not just going to load the boat at this point, but I don't want too much money in it because that could wipe me out. I mean, that would really, really be serious if I suddenly lost $2,500. I find scalping is the best way to bring your prices down in this market if you don't mind the tax bill. There you go. That's true. You're dead right there. You're dead right there. All right. Let's get some breaking news from our sources this morning. The world debt GDP ratio plummets, but remains above pre-COVID level. That's some breaking news just coming out. It plummets, but it remains above pre-COVID level. Los Angeles pins hope on Bass to fix worsening homeless crisis. And of course, Tilray's going up. Let's have a little look at it. Tilray. Okay. I tell you what we'll do, Mohammed. We'll do a video on this one now. Everyone's very twitchy ahead of the CPI report tomorrow. We'll cover it live. We'll be here live with the CPI report. And of course, we'll also be here with Jerome Powell tomorrow. Okay? So we'll cover all this. So let's make a video right now. Let's make a video that I can put out at the end of this stream. So let me go over now and do that, and we'll put it out straight at the end of this stream. So we're 23 minutes in. Let's have a look here. Tilray. 23 mins. Tilray. T-I-L. Oh, there we go. Tilray. I hope so. The question is now, will I sell it at the top again? If it does pop, because it will pop if it gets past. Anyway, let's have a quick look at it. Let's bring it into focus. Okay, here we go. We'll bring it on the screen right now. And let's see. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Later on today, we're going to hear if Congress passes safe banking. This is what we saw last week when, 10 days ago, when Tilray Brands popped up. I was up at 38% up on it. I never sold it. I held my position. Do I regret that decision? Well, I always regret not taking profits, of course, but it's gone back down again. I'm right on a wash right now. If I scroll up and show you my position, I'm actually up 1.42. I was up at 38%. I was actually out of the money earlier on today, but on the news today that we're going to hear today from Congress, if safe banking will be passed. If it is, then this stock will rally again. The question is, will this time I take profits off the top? I'm inclined not to, because I know that this stock is a $40 stock when legislation goes through and the whole bill gets passed. But hopefully today we'll hear some good news. What do you think? Do you think that we're going to get the safe pass, the safe pass banking today? For some reason I'm struggling to say that. But anyway, smash the like button if it's your very first time here, and go ahead and click the subscribe button and ring the bell. We bring breaking news throughout the day. But we are looking at Tilray Brands. All markets are down today. Because of the CPI report. If I take you to my main portfolio, if I scroll up right now, you'll see where we are. It's looking pretty grim right now. The reason for this is because we've got the CPI report out tomorrow. I think it's going to be good, somewhere in the low sevens. Then Jerome Powell will be speaking live on our show. Yeah, he's a guest of mine on Wednesday. We'll be covering the FOMC report. If you want to join us for the CPI report and the data tomorrow morning, click here. If you want to join us for Jerome Powell's FOMC speech, give it a couple of seconds and I'll give you a link to join. You can't put the tags too close together. Let's say about there. There you go. If you click there, that will take you to Jerome Powell's FOMC speech, and that's on Wednesday. So, where do we see Tilray Brands going today? Well, hopefully it'll pop up on this news. At the moment, it's trending around zero, but most other stocks are down by a lot more. Is Lucid going bankrupt? Is Rivian going bankrupt? They're all seriously down. Or is it the best buying opportunity we've ever had on those EV stocks? Only time will tell, but it won't be much longer to wait. Tomorrow, we'll know exactly if we're in for a Santa rally. Is the Santa rally around the corner? Leave your thoughts and comments below. Is Tilray Brand about to pop up today on the safe banking bill going through? Well, we'll hear about it later on today. Join us back here every day, up to 10 hours a day, on Martyn Lucas Investor. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's do that one. Okay, we got some thoughts. Thoughtful face. Okay, thoughtful face. Thoughtful face. Try and say that quickly. Thoughtful face. Anyway, I wonder how many of you are doing that right now. Let's scroll up. What was Lucid's cash position last earnings? I don't have those figures to hand, Jerry Mooney. I do remember, though, that the CEO was talking about, is it Scarangia? No, not Scarangia. That's Rivian, isn't it? I forget his name now. But they were talking about raising more money. Which means diluting the stock. They will do that, and they'll need to do that, but hopefully they won't do that until the stock pops up. There's no point doing it now because they wouldn't make any money. But anyway, Martin, you're looking down and sad. I'm in the same boat. We're all struggling today, I'm afraid, Kidakazi. Yeah. England will win the Euro in 2 years. That makes me feel better. Yeah, Jerry Mooney, England will win the Euro in 2 years. Oh, gosh. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? Yeah, it's been I got my gig cancelled where basically I lost my money, my income this weekend. Saturday night, lost my gig. That's awful. Then England lost in the World Cup. Then we had the technical issues this morning with Restream breaking, so I've had to I went an hour late on my show. It's just one thing after another. And, of course, the stocks are all down as well. So it's not great, is it, at the moment? BSV price is oddly volatile at the moment. Any thoughts? BSV, I've noticed it breaking out way above BTC recently. I don't know if you've noticed that. BTC is up 0.5%, a little bit each day, but BTC seems to be having really big rallies. Like you'll get 5, 6, even 10% in a day. That's not been happening with Bitcoin. If we look at look, we get some big jumps. If you look at BSV, it's up 13% on the month. Very, very steady growth. I'm still out of the money. I'm down 17%. I haven't been buying it because I own 11 Bitcoin. If everyone says it's going to go to $1 million, I've got more money than I'll ever need. I'm not prepared to buy any more because it could all go down to zero right now. Quite honestly, it could. So I'm not buying any more, but I'm certainly not selling, and I'm just holding on to it. Anyway, there you go. Interesting though, isn't it? In fact, that's a good thing to mention. Actually, I'll talk about that very quickly. 30 mins BSV compared to Bitcoin. I'm just going to talk about that a second. It's worth mentioning, I think. All right, let's have a little look. Go over here. Could you review a stock, Dexter Sickles? Yes, I can. You remember, and I certainly will do that for you. Let me have a quick look at this a minute. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. I'm live up to 10 hours a day, so that means I don't miss a trick. At least it means I don't miss a price movement. I see it all. I sit here 10 hours a day and watch it, and I have seen some very interesting signs that I want to just briefly mention to you right now. So first of all, smash the like button and don't forget to give me a nice subscribe and ring the bell. That really helps the channel. But we're talking about BTC and Bitcoin and BSV today. If you look at it today, BSV is up again today at nearly 6%. If I compare that today to BTC, Bitcoin, it's hardly moved. It's up 0.5%. Now, this isn't the first time this has happened. This has happened now over the last few weeks. Look, this is the last month on Bitcoin. Hardly moved at all. In fact, it's 0.07. It's up very, very slightly over the month. But if we look at BSV over the same time period, we're up 13.5%. What is going on? People are asking me on Twitter. They're asking me on YouTube. I've no idea why this is happening. But I have noticed that Bitcoin SV is jumping quite regularly, 5-6% in a day, and that's not happening at all in Bitcoin. So what do you think? Do you think there's a reason behind this? I would like your thoughts below in the comments, and I will reply to everyone's comments. I will tell you, however, even though I am down slightly on BSV, I'm not buying any more. I'm not buying any Bitcoin until it drops $1,000. Every time it drops $1,000, I buy another $100 worth. And BSV, the way I see it is, I've got enough. I've got 11 Bitcoin. Should in 10 years from now Bitcoin be $1 million? God knows. Who knows? BSV, some people believe, is going to take over BTC. Well, if that's the case, I've got $11 million. Why would I need to buy more? Now, you might say, well, it's cheap. Why not buy more? Because it's all about risk management. I don't see any point at all when you own 11 Bitcoin why you'd want to buy more unless you've got loads of money, and I certainly don't. This is my overall portfolio. I'll share with you my entire position. Right now, we're preparing for the CPI report tomorrow. If you want to join us for that show, click here. It's at 7:30 in the morning. We'll be there live. We're hoping for the very low sevens. And then, of course, the following day, we've got Jerome Powell, who'll be live on my show. You know what I mean. And for the FOMC report. And we're expecting 0.5%. We know that. The market's priced that in. But what we want to hear is where he's going the following month. Does he feel that we're going to have lots more 0.5%? And that could be just as bad as less 70.75% raises? Or are we looking at starting to lower the rates? Are we going to pivot? Are we going to U-turn? That's what we really want to see. So join us for the FOMC report. Click up there and that will take you to Jerome Powell's live broadcast, and we'll cover it live here on the show. So what do you think? Do you think Bitcoin SV is separating from BTC? Well, over the month, we can certainly see it's gone up. Over the week, it's up 8.61. Over the month, it's up 14.5%. Let's look a bit further. 3 months. This is when it all started here. Let's compare that very, very quickly to BTC. And over the 3-month period, look, it's down. So you can see it's a very different chart now. And this is unusual. Why is this happening? I'd like your thoughts below in the comments. I will reply to everyone's comments and try to ascertain what is going on here with BTC and BSV. What do you think? Let me know. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's have a quick thumbnail for BSV. A minute. Quick thumbnail on that one. Take off the ticker. There we go. Okay. Next year, middle towards the end. I don't think the pivot is this year. I agree with you. What was the stock that went up 900% Friday? How is it now? Oh, yes. What was that one? Very, very good. In fact, look, Bitcoin SV is plowing up now. Up 7% now. Phenomenal, isn't it? What if it does explode? I mean, I've got 11. It's all you need, really. 7.26. Certainly going up quick. I think Bitcoin's going to bottom around about 5,000 and 10,000 maybe over the next 3 quarters. Mario, I am in agreement with you. I think you're absolutely... Oh, hang on, that's a bit big. The comments are all odd today because of the new streaming situation we're in. We're in a backup stream at the moment because of Restream not working properly. Hopefully things will be resolved tomorrow. But anyway, they're not working very well at the moment. So there we go, Bitcoin SV. Let's come back to our main portfolio and see where we are right now. Still going down. What are we picking up? We picked up some more Rivian. Should I set another buy? I mean, that was I bought at 25.90. Shall I go 25? I mean, I will actually set a limit order for one limit order 25. Don't really want to buy any more, to be perfectly honest. I'll go 5. Allow to execute. Good for the day. Good till cancelled. So go down to 25. Let's see if we get that. Review the order. 5 at 25. There we go. Buy. So I've set another limit order of 25 if that happens. There you go. You can see what I've done there. So I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. I'm trying to find some more information. What does anybody else think? Hang on a minute. Let me just check the poll. Will we get a Santa rally? 67% of you think so. Let's do another poll here. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got something to do, haven't I, for Dexter Sickles. Could you review a stock? It's Adams One Corp. Ticker is Jewel. They IPO'd last week. They work with diamonds. Let me have a look. Let me duplicate the screen a minute. It's Jewel, G-E-W-L. Is it available on? Yes, it is. Let's have a look. It just IPO'd. What do we think of this? It's popped up straight away. Let's have a little look. And straight back down again. Classic IPO. Went up 74% and fell off. Well, Okay, let's have a quick look at it. What does anyone think of this? Adams 1. Look at Virgin Galactic. I will do. And let me just do this for... Oh, there we go. 3.26. Looking good. I need to cover that quickly then. Sorry, Dexter. I'll come back to that. SBCE. Looking much better today. Let's put this in quickly. What is the time? $40 mins. 40 mins SPCE. Okay. Let's have a quick look at this. Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. We see Virgin Galactic today pop up 3.39. As I rank number 1 for the search term of SPCE stock and Virgin Galactic, I get asked a lot what is going on with Virgin Galactic. I'm researching it every day. I've got all the inside information that is available to anyone publicly. I get it and I research it every day. There is no reason for this. There is no news that I'm aware of today. What it is, however, I will put my feeling on it. Why is Virgin Galactic up today? Well, it's a position that I hold. It's one of my biggest positions. It's one of the most riskiest positions. How others look at it, I don't see it as a risk at all. Virgin Galactic, I've got orders to buy more at $4, and I'll buy a lot more at $4. It doesn't seem to want to go there, however. Why has it popped up? Well, in my opinion, is this. Nothing has changed. What we've got at the moment is more hirings, and the hirings are being filled. I check that every day. So when they advertise their positions, are they getting filled? There's no point just advertising jobs and no one's taking them. Otherwise, what does that mean? Nothing. They are getting filled, so they're making more commitment to more staff all the time. So obviously, there's a reason why they're hiring. Everything is going on schedule. The flights are on schedule. The tickets are sold. Everything is good news. Why has it popped up? Well, the only assumption I can come up with is it's a CPI report tomorrow, and the most riskiest stocks get dumped first, but they're also the ones to recover first. This stock is dramatically down. You know, I first started buying it at $35, and we've come all the way down to around about $4.50, $4.40. In fact, $4.14 I think is my lowest buying price for Virgin Galactic. So stocks like this will sell off quickest, but they'll recover quickest. It's why my portfolio is always way ahead of the S&P 500 on good days, and it's way below on bad days. My portfolio is an exaggeration of the positive and the negative. So before I give you any more amazing information, I think this is right, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already. I really appreciate it. We're breaking news throughout the day. You done that? All right, I'll carry on. So for me, Virgin Galactic is popping up now because tomorrow, most people think the CPI rate is going to be good. Most people think the CPI rate is going to be in the low 7s, which will show that inflation has come down 2 months in a row. Most people are pricing in the rate hikes will be up 0.5. Remember, that means they're still putting the interest rates up, which is bad for the stock market, but it's slowing. And that's what we want to see. More importantly, we want to see Jerome Powell say on Wednesday, click up here if you want to be there, by the way. We want to see Jerome Powell say that they are now slowing down further and they might start reversing. That's what we really want to see. And there's a good amount of evidence to suggest that could happen, and a Santa rally. So because of that, positive overselling now, people feel it's time to buy back into Virgin Galactic because this can recover very, very quickly. We could wake up tomorrow and see it at $5, $6 very, very easily. So I'm in, staying in, and I'm holding my position. I would like your thoughts. If you go below the video and leave your comments, let me know what you think. We are soon going to release a single at the end of our Christmas run of songs. Every day we got songs coming out, Christmas songs starting a couple of days' time. At the end of that, we're releasing a single for Virgin Galactic. It's a song to promote the stock, and the money I make from the video, I'm buying shares of Virgin Galactic. So I hope it stays down for a little while longer before it pops back up again. But anyway, we'll see what happens. But Virgin Galactic is on the way up today. No news, just people buying in because that's the way it trends on the potential of a good green day tomorrow and on Wednesday. The Santa rally is just around the corner. That's my prediction. Anyway, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Quick thumbnail on that one. Okay. Tilray, also high risk. There you go. The same story. The sack of the same story, isn't it? It's the same story. Tilray Brands, exactly the same situation. It's the same thing. The high-risk stocks will always bounce back. It's why a balanced portfolio needs high-risk stocks in them. You can't just be all safe if you want to hit a substantial target in a short amount of time. Anyway, so let's just update Tilray then. This is what we were talking about earlier. We haven't got that. If anyone's got the information about the bill, please let me know. I am not seeing it on my wires yet. So let me know if you see it. 45. Whoops-a-daisy, what the heck happened there? Coming out. It plummets, but it remains above pre-COVID. What's going on? Okay, try that again. Okay. Whoops-a-daisy. What the heck happened there? 46. Okay. I've had so many issues this morning trying to deal with the technical challenges from Restream messing everything up for me, but there we go. It is what it is. So I apologize that my stream isn't as polished as it would normally be. It frustrates me probably more than it does you, actually. I get really annoyed. Anyway. So, let's come back to this. A quick update here on Tilray Brands. We reported on this just some moments ago, and it's continued popping again. The reason for this is their expectation of the safe banking bill being passed today. But to be honest with you, that is great, and that will drive the stock back up. But what it is really is high-risk stocks recover quickest in recoveries, and we're all expecting the CPI, well, not everyone, I am anyway, I'm expecting the CPI report to come in low 7s tomorrow, inflation to have peaked and come down for 2 months in a row. So all this stuff sold off last week, profit taking. I didn't sell mine, I kept my position, and now with the potential of the bill being passed today, plus of the safe banking, and plus we have the belief that tomorrow's CPI rate will be good, favourable, and Jerome Powell speaking with a favourable tone, then this sort of stock is popping up. That's what happens. Our Virgin Galactic stock, same sort of risk tolerance, has done exactly the same thing. It doesn't mean that Tilray Brands are making loads of money today or anything unique. It's just the price, not the value. Remember what we do here on Martyn Lucas Investor. We focus on the value of the stock, not the price. We just buy it when it goes down. We don't buy it when it goes up, and I like to hold it until I get to my actual price targets, not a quick trade. I'm looking to get this, holding this all the way to $40. Anyway, and this is just a very short video, just a quick update. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, that's just a quick one. There we go. All right. Hello, says Santa Rally, hopefully, yes. There's another company that's going to be taking people to space. It's a 3-hour trip. It's been 45 minutes in space, and they bring you right back for $50,000 a person. 12 people can go up, 12 people come down. 12 people go up, 12 come down. I should bloody hope so. That's quite funny. Who's doing that then? What company's doing that? I'm not so sure about that. Have you got any Project Freedom? Have you got any evidence to substantiate that claim? What company is that? Anyway, overall portfolio is looking much better now. I haven't run a commercial break this morning yet. I'll see you right back in 10 seconds. Hang on a minute. Am I live? Yeah. Yeah. See you back in 10 seconds from now. And we're back. Okay. Flipping it. Could anything else go wrong this morning with my streaming software? Blimey. Andrew Grady. Good morning to you, Andrew. How are you, mate? Let me bring you on the screen. Lovely to see you. Thanks for being here, mate. Let's have a little look. Tilray Brands out 4%. Big push now. But remember, it can be sold off just as quick. Let me check. Adams 1. This is this IPO'd yesterday. We're going to come back to it as soon as we can for Dexter Sickles. S&P 500 is up 0.41. That's better. Virgin Galactic now is soaring. Always a pleasure. Thank you very much. And up 4%. Really nice. My portfolio is up 3. Oh, sorry. My overall portfolio isn't. No, that's Tilray. My overall portfolio is up 0.57 now. Virgin Orbit is down. Tesla, trying to buy it at 160. Rivian, I bought some shares this morning at 25.90. So I've lowered my average. So I'm very much more happy with that situation. Lucid, I'm concerned. I don't know if Lucid are going to go bankrupt. If anyone's got any information, let me know. But I've not seen it. Arrival, Amazon, nearly 85. How low did that go? 88. Apple, Robinhood today, much better. McDonald's up 0.69. Coca-Cola up 0.06. Johnson & Johnson up 0.2. Google is down but come back up again. I'm out of the money by 7%. Microsoft is up 2%. Meta is down 1.6. SoFi looking much better. Still 24% out of the money. IonQ is down, and I'm also down 14%. Walmart's having a great day. Target is also having a great day. Tesco's is down 0.36. Still in the money though. Canoe is up. Still down 38% though. Having a good run. Tilray Brands up 4%, looking good. Enphase Energy up 0.86. Okay, we're up at the moment. We're up at the moment quite a bit. Let's see how many people are with me this morning. 22. Thank you very much indeed. 32 in watching the show. And let's see if we gained any subscribers this morning. So we had and what people are searching for. Let's have a little look. 5777. No subscribers today. Let's have a look. Did we? What's being searched for? Arrival and Tilray are being searched for most, other than the live stream. That's interesting to see. So Tilray and Lucid. Not surprised that everyone's concerned with Lucid. Is Lucid going bankrupt? Let's have a look closer at Lucid. If we can find any more information on Lucid. If anyone can find any information that I don't have, let me know. So let's have a quick look at Lucid. Let's go into it. Let's check my wires. 53. All right. Okay. Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investor. Sadly, I have no breaking news. Is that clickbait? Well, I didn't call the video breaking news, did I? It's about Lucid right now. We've got a major concern here. If this goes bankrupt, is it going bankrupt? Many people now are rumoring it, but rumors, I'm not interested in rumors. I'm not interested when Elon Musk says a company's going bankrupt. I like Tesla, but I don't listen to Elon Musk when it comes to rumors and tweets and Reddits and stuff like that. I like to talk to the people at the company. I'm trying to get some information from Lucid. I'm starting now to reach out to CEOs, reach out to the companies, the marketing people, the press, try to find inside information on what's going on. What do you think? Is Lucid about to go bankrupt? So we're going to discuss that very, very quickly. How it would impact my portfolio as well. If it went bankrupt, it really would damage my portfolio in a big way. I am buying more. I've been buying it when it's been going down. I am, however, down 30% on it at the moment. I haven't, I could wipe out that 30% or at least half of it if I doubled my position right now. But that would mean another 220 shares. I've currently got 220 shares. I am trying to buy it at 8. I keep buying more as it goes down lower. But of course, as it approaches $5, it becomes a penny stock. Lucid produces a car better than Tesla, no question. But remember, it's not about the technology. It's about, can you sell the cars, make a return? And that's the problem. Lucid are struggling now. They need to raise capital. On their last earnings, they talked about raising capital. They also talked about, though, a potential buyback. That's always good for the stock price. But right now, Lucid is very, very low, $8.49. This is my position. I'm looking to buy some more at 8. But I'm not going all in because, most companies that we're investing in hang on, there's a number. It's just completely gone out of my head. There was a percentage I researched earlier. But a lot of the companies that we are investing in here in 5 years from now won't be around. We've not yet experienced and had it firsthand that a company that I invest in has gone bankrupt. But it's only a matter of time. Particularly in this climate, we are going to lose great companies. It doesn't really matter how good Lucid's car is and what it produces. Companies will go bankrupt. We don't want to be in one of those when it does. Now, I am down at the moment, $839 on Lucid. I could sell it for a loss, move my money into the S&P 500, guaranteed safe money over time, or do I hold on? At the moment, I'm adding and I'll buy more at $8. I'm not just going to buy a load more at this price because it is vulnerable. It could go lower, but if it goes lower than $8, then we have to start asking ourselves, is Lucid going bankrupt? I've got no information on that at the moment. I can't find any information on that other than rumors and silly people on Reddit and Elon Musk tweeting nonsense. I can't get into that. That's just wasting my time. But what do you think? I'd like your thoughts below. And if you could smash the like button and share this video and leave your comments, I will reply to all your comments on Lucid. Is Lucid going bankrupt? Well, we will have a good idea tomorrow because tomorrow is the CPI report. We are expecting the CPI report to be favorable. I think it will be in the low 7s. I think Jerome Powell will be good on Wednesday. If you want to join us for that, you can. I will give you the link to that. There is our Jerome Powell speech on Wednesday. I think it'll be okay. If we don't get the stock rally, but remember, if it does rally, they are going to dissolve some shares and make some money. They are going to raise capital. So if the stock goes up to $12, $13, something like that, it'll probably go straight back down to 8 because they will raise funds by releasing more shares. That's one of the downsides, and that's why I don't really want to buy it unless it goes lower, but I am concerned about the bankruptcy scare as well. Let me know your thoughts. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. There's my thumbnail for Lucid. Rumors has it Martyn Lucas is going to be a millionaire. I like it. Rumor has it. There you go. Rumor has it. Charge point is at 8% today. Do you anything about PowerPoint. I think you mean ChargePoint. Flames. I can review the stock for you if you are a member of the channel. Let me give you the invitation to become a member, and I will review the stock, put it on the screen. I might even buy some shares of it if you are a member. Here's the invitation to join. It's one of the perks of being a member. I will review a stock, make a video on it, promote it, and even buy it on certain occasions. Anyway, SpaceX, I have heard. SpaceX. Stephen Bill, SpaceX are not doing... no, that's not true at all. Anyone who says SpaceX, you've heard a rumor about SpaceX. Elon Musk has no intention of doing space tourism at all. People rumor all kinds of nonsense, and that is not true. So I don't think... And also, if you say it's SpaceX that's doing the flights, I know for a fact that cannot be $50,000 because they use traditional rockets rather than the way Virgin Galactic does it, and it costs millions to get into space. So it's never going to be $50,000 on a SpaceX rocket. Absolutely not. I don't believe that for a second. Anyway, I'll be interested to know your thoughts on that one. Let's scroll down more comments. Adams, we still haven't reviewed that for Dexter. S&P 500, it's up 4.47. Virgin Galactic is just having a little drop, but let's hope it continues. I'm still out of the money on it. Virgin Orbit, even lower. No surprise, Virgin Orbit have delayed their launch. Tesla, I want to buy it at 160. Rivian, 253. I bought down 253. I bought it at 25.90 this morning. So that's pretty good. I'm still down 3.4%. Not got that many shares. And Lucid, I want to buy it at 8. Arrival is virtually done and dusted. Amazon, trying to buy some more at 85. Apple, I want to buy it at 130. Robinhood, I want to buy it at 8. But they're up 2.47. Still out of the money. McDonald's, it's great. I'm up in the money. I'm up 13%. Happy with that. Coca-Cola, I'm up 7% now. Good dividends, good amount of money there. J&J is also up today, 4.72 overall, 0.25% today. Google's returning. I like Google as well. Microsoft, up 2%. Meta is still down. SoFi is having a good run. Looking pretty reasonable right now. So let me ask a poll. I want to ask a poll. Do you think Lucid will go bankrupt? Have you read any information about it? Yes or no? Anybody feel that? Let's have a little look. And please just base it on information, not just guessing, please. We're trying to get some information if we can. I'm always messaging people at the factories and the companies themselves directly rather than talking to Redditors who make up stuff. I don't really find that helpful. Walmart's having a good day. I'm up $198 now, 20.1%. Lucid cash position approximately $3 billion. So they have got debt though. But how fast are they burning the cash, Jerry? What do you think? 100% say no. How many people have voted? Oh, just one vote so far. Okay. Please only vote if you know something. Don't just vote because you're guessing. We don't want that. We don't want just guessing. I don't know. I can't vote on it because I don't know. Good afternoon, says Ed Nevius. How are you this morning? Welcome to you. Tesco's. We're having a bad day. We've had technical issues with Restream. England are out of the World Cup. I got a gig cancelled on Saturday, so I lost all my wages. My portfolio is suffering, even though I'm up today slightly now, so that's kind of good. But it's not a good day for anybody today. Whatever it is what it is, and blah, blah, blah. Anyway, we keep on going. keep on being positive and hoping for better days to come. If only the war would end in Ukraine, the markets would rally 20% straight away overnight. It'd be fantastic. But there you go. Arrival is being searched for again today. I'm noticing that on my account. People are searching for Arrival more than anything else again. Let's have a quick look at Arrival. We don't have any more information on Arrival other than they will be delisted. They can't continue like this much longer. I don't see how Arrival can survive now. I'm certainly not buying any more. I'm down $113. I sold my position a while ago, but I've got a little bit there. But let's have a look. Let's get some perspective. Yeah, look, straight off a cliff. Yeah, I don't see Arrival coming back from that. They'll be delisted soon. Let's put this out a minute and let's see if we can get anybody to share some information on this. 1 hour 5. So here we go. Arrival. What's happening with Arrival? Is Arrival about to be finished, about to go bankrupt? Well, it can't hold on much longer. Unfortunately, it's about to be delisted. It can't go much lower than this. If it does, it'll be delisted. It'll be taken off the exchanges. It'll be taken off the trading platform, and we won't even be able to trade it the same way anymore. What do you think? Is Arrival about to go bankrupt? Now, Arrival have a huge amount of debt. Their problem, though, is parts and getting supply constraints, and their debt is spiraling. Unfortunately, inflation in the UK is far worse, which is where they're based, far worse than it is here in the US. Things are far worse, and Arrival, great company, not the best management, running out of money. I don't know. I don't know if this company can last much longer. Now, I did make some money on Arrival. I was in Arrival. I still am. A small amount. My average price now is 60 cents, which means I am down 59%, $114. I only have 322 shares of it now. But what do you think? Do you think that this is the best bargain? You can buy what potentially some were saying would replace Tesla. That was never going to happen. We never said that on the show. For 24 cents a share, or is it about to go bust? Some people say it's a great bargain. If they did believe that, however, the shares would be bought up and the stock price would go up. It just isn't moving. And if we get some perspective and we look at it over the month, it just continues to fall. A little bit of scalp trading on the way down, but pretty much it's a one-way street for Arrival. Let's look at it over the 3 months. I don't know how low. I've never experienced a stock yet on my portfolio that has gone bankrupt. I've never had one, unfortunately, but I've only been trading for a year. I hope that this isn't my first one, but the jury's out on this one, I'm afraid. I think it's going to go bankrupt. I don't think it can survive at this level, especially when we all know that Arrival are looking to dilute the stock and raise funds. They can't do it now. That would be absolute financial suicide. So everybody knows they're going to raise money as soon as it pops up, which means nobody wants to buy it because they know the moment it goes up, it's going to be halved in value again anyway. So it's very difficult for a company to get out of a situation like this. They can't raise money by diluting the stock because it isn't worth anything. And if they did, that would be the end. Unfortunately, at some point, you have to decide that it's gone too low and you have to let it go. What do you think? Arrival potentially had a great business. The technology is great. The idea is great. The execution, not so good at a really bad time. So there you go. Arrival, in my opinion, I think it's going to go bust. I am holding a small position, just 322 shares, as a really high risky lottery ticket. That's it. And even if it goes up, I wouldn't buy it. That would be ridiculous. I would buy it now if I believed in it, but I don't. Neither does anybody else. That's why nobody else is buying it. That's why it's not going up. And for me, if it goes up, prepare for it to be dumped again. This has gone too low over too long a time period. Anyway, I wish everybody at Arrival the best. If you are an investor in Arrival, I wish you the best. But what do? There's lots of people I'm speaking to on Twitter right now that have shares way up from here, and they're down and like 99%, and they are really in the red, out of the money. Those people I feel sorry for. But at the end of the day, we invest in companies. We take the risks that a company might make us money, but it might also go bankrupt. What do you think? Take care of yourselves and each other. There's Arrival. Just turned green as I said that. Look at that. What happens if what happens to the shares if a stock is delisted? Well, if it's delisted, it won't be able to trade on this platform. After a while, it won't be publicly traded at all. I don't know more than that, Craig. I've never experienced it. Honestly, I don't know any more than that. Maybe somebody else could offer some light to that. Good afternoon, Ed Nevius. Lucid's cash position is approximately 3 billion, says Jerry Mooney. The S&P is up today. Still way above my all-time low. My all-time low is 320. That's where I want to buy it for an all-time low. However, you know, I'm only up 1.5% on it. This is the safest stock you can own. And if we look at it over the year, it's down 16%. Over 5 years, look. It's still not a bad time to buy the S&P 500. At least you know it's going to go up. At least you know your money's safe. At least you know it's not going to go bankrupt. You also know there's a dividend there to be received. It's not a completely bad thing to do, actually. But I would rather get it for less, of course. The name of the company is called Worldview. Project Freedom. Worldview. Oh, you've researched the company that are going to do a flight for $50,000. Right. Let me have a look at it then. I'll research it. Worldview. It's a good name, isn't it? Makes kind of sense. Let's have a look. Book now. Reserve your life-changing journey to the edge of space today. Wow. How does that get up there? I'm just looking at it. Is Worldview a traded company? Can we buy it? Let's have a look. Worldview. New World Development. Is this it? No. Okay. Let's have a little look. SPCE. Let's have a little look. I am seeing it here. Oh, it's a balloon. The world's carbon neutral spaceship. Oh my gosh, okay. This is interesting. Would you want to go up in a balloon? All right. Okay. Let's this is interesting then. I think this is very, very worthwhile putting out. Let's have a little look. Do we have a competitor now for Virgin Galactic? Let's have a look. How much experience Let's have a little look. There it is. There's the flight. Book now. Oh my gosh, you can book it and everything. Pay with Coinbase. Total cost 125,000. Okay, so it's not 50,000, but obviously it's a lot less. Okay. Okay. I can see that's quite interesting. All right. Okay. Let's have a little look. Worldview. Okay, I've got it here now, so I'm gonna have a little look at it. It is 1 hour 14. 1 hour 14. SPCE Worldview. Okay, hello Martin, says Baron Hanley. Welcome to you, mate. Okay, let's have a look at this. You ready? Okay, we'll make a little video on this. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Has Virgin Galactic SPCE stock got a competitor with Worldview? Look at this. A new space perspective. You will never guess how this works and how much it costs. This has just been mentioned to me by one of our members to our channel, and we're going to have a look at it. How does it compare to Virgin Galactic? Because SpaceX is not a competitor. Blue Origin is not a competitor. Way too expensive. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic's price right now, and let's compare it to Space Perspective at Worldview. But before I give you any information, you've got to earn this one. I'm afraid this is a good one. You've got to click subscribe, ring the bell, and of course smash the like button. Have you done that? I can wait. You can, of course, skip this part of the video if you want, but I'm going to make you do it. Come on, subscribe, ring the bell, and give us a thumbs up. So, we all know it's about $400,000 to fly with Virgin Galactic, which I always believe is the way forward. But this is Worldview. Should we have a little closer look at it? And I'm going to show you how much it is to fly with Worldview and get a space perspective. Look at this. Very, very different experience. You will never guess how it flies. Let's have a closer look. It's not available at the moment on Robinhood as a public company. I've just found this information out, so I don't know any more than that right now. This is what it is, look. It's a balloon. Very much Richard Branson. It looks great from the picture here, but remember, a balloon is not going to go into space. I can't see, I don't know yet, that there's going to be weightlessness, because if there was, the balloon would fly away. So let's get one thing absolutely straight. As I understand it right now, from the information I have at the moment, this cannot be in space, because if it was, it would fly away. There's going to be no weightlessness. Anyway, let's have a little look. This is what it looks like. That's the view you get. It looks pretty good, right? To me, though, it's a very high plane. But I don't know. How much do you think it costs to fly this? Any guesses? Let me know in the comments. Any guesses? And we'll tell you now anyway. So we know $400,000 is Virgin Galactic. But what do you think about this? The price is, I'm going to reveal to you now. It is, you can book a flight right now for $125,000. So obviously a lot less. What do you think? Is this competition for Virgin Galactic? Does Virgin Galactic now have competition? I have to say it looks very, very nice. I'll give you that. It looks good, but I don't know. What do you think? This is our very first look at it. This is the first competition that Virgin Galactic has. But it's a very different experience. It's not in space. I can't see there's going to be weightlessness. In fact, looking at the inside of this picture here, there is no weightlessness. Look, they're standing there. So anyway, what do you think? Let's discuss this. So anyway, let me know in the thoughts. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on this. Is this a competition? Is this competition for Virgin Galactic? Only time will tell. There'll be more information coming up soon. Take care of yourselves and each other. How can I share? I think I got that, didn't I? Got a thumbnail on that one there. Okay. 350,000. No, I've just shared this. Oh, you were guessing 350, did you? No, it's obviously less than that. It's the price is, as you can see here, 125. Anyway, interested in that. Thank you for sending that in to me. And we will look further into that as Virgin Galactic shares drop at the moment. Let's have a little look. I don't think that's the same thing at all. But it's worth discussing it anyway. The overall portfolio has turned red again. We're actually in the red again, as you can see here. With those costs, I'd rather drive with the bus. ETORO would rather drive with the bus. ETORO, did you find the membership link? It's on a browser. If you can't find it on your phone, and you are on your phone, obviously, take your phone onto a Google browser or Safari browser, and you will see the link. Go onto YouTube or use this link here, and you should find it. If that link doesn't work for you, just go onto rather than using the app, use the browser, and you will see it. Anyway, we see what it does. How does it land? That's my question. Does it land in the ocean? Land on land itself? I don't know. That's what we're going to find out. On April the 19th, the House passed a bill to go to Congress on providing banking services. April 19th, the House passed a bill. Yeah, that's a long time ago, though, Mike. Why are you sharing me news on April 19th, 2021? It looks safe. When is the first flight? You want to go, do you? I want to go. I want to have a go. All right. Okay. Let's run a quick commercial break. And I also need to take a restroom break as well in a few moments. So we might do that in a second as well. So let me just run a quick commercial break. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thanks for joining me. Lovely to have you with me. And we've just learned about a Virgin Galactic competitor, potentially. I see it differently, but it's a different service. But anyway, because Dex was wanting info. Oh, I see. Sorry, mate. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Mike. Right, quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. I'm seeing it's a paywall, but nothing about how to become a member. All right, I don't know. As I say, try the app, but also try the browser. They can be different. It may also be. I don't know how old you are. You may have a family account and there's no membership options for you. You may have your YouTube channel set for children. You may have limitations that you can't see paid services. I don't know how old you are. You could be 10 years of age for all I know, and your parents have said you can't see the membership button. I don't know. It could well be that. You might have a family account. There's all sorts of reasons. I wish I could give you more information, but I'm afraid I can't, at this precise moment. I'd love to, because I'd love to welcome you as a member. Anyway, just for interest's sake, By how much is your portfolio down? Oh, a long way. Hang on a minute. Virgin Orbit hits a low, 232. Here we go. Virgin Orbit. This is because the flights are cancelled or postponed. 232. Here we go. Indefinite, well, not indefinitely, but for a while. I've got an order placed at $2. It could easily go there. I'm not going to buy any more until it goes to 2. How much am I down? Or a massive amount. I'll share with you on the screen. I'm down 43%. 43% at the moment. Yeah, bloody awful. But there you go. Everything, to be honest with you guys, hinges on today. If we get, or tomorrow, if we get a favourable CPI and a favourable situation from Jerome Powell, my portfolio could be in the green overall by the end of the year. It could be. It could be. And of course, it could go the other way. We don't know. I'm holding my positions. I believe in the companies that I own, and I'm not going anywhere. Tesla's bringing me down big time. I'm down nearly $3,000 on Tesla. I'm down 40 grand, says Kid Akazi. Yeah, we all know. So I am down, what, overall? Yeah, 32, yeah. Very close to you. Kavana is 65% short, way more juice than GameStop ever had. I might have to load some. Liverpool. Welcome to Liverpool here on the show. Wonderful to have you. I just can't get excited or get involved in shorting. I know it's a great thing. People make a lot of money from it. But for me, it doesn't interest me at all. I know it makes money, but I can't invest on a company that is junk, bankrupt, and you're betting on it going down. I mean, it's just the whole ethos of negativity around that just does not interest me at all. Remember, shorters always win the battles, but always lose the wars. They always get squeezed eventually, and but it's not for me. I understand you make money on it. Liverpool just joined us. Let me see if I can invite Liverpool to become a member of our channel. Welcome to you. Did everyone see the cash giveaway today? Double cash giveaways in the newsletter. I started trading last November when stocks were high. Kidakazi, same as me. Anyone who started trading last year is in this situation. Everyone. No one's going to be up if they started trading last year. I'm right with you. Totally understand where you are. I'm in the same position. I'm in exactly the same position. We're all in the same position. So don't feel bad about that. That's just the reality of it. We're in the red at the moment. All you can do is find great companies at massive discounts. I've been buying $25.90 this morning on Rivian. But set those all-time lows really low. Don't just pay it because it's low now. You want it to be considerably lower. You know, if you've already got the stock, my McDonald's is doing great. My Coca-Cola's doing great. No surprise, really. The best companies are still doing good. Google is down, though, 7% now. I've been buying more of it. I like it. Lucid, I paid $30. Bought $650. Wow. Yeah. A lot of people did. Kidakazi, a lot of people did. You're not the only one. So a lot of people believe in the company as well, and they're all down the same. I'm right with you. Anyway, there we go. Okay. I need to take a restroom break. I'd rather stay live with you because tomorrow, we're preparing for tomorrow. It's a huge day. We need to be here for each other. So tomorrow, of course, everything will change. Everything will change dramatically. One way or another, everything will change dramatically tomorrow. And we're getting ready for it. Neo paid $28, bought $500. Oh, dear. We know how tough it is, mate. We've all been there. Most of us are still in that situation right now. Okay. Everyone's with me. Fantastic. I'm going to take a very short break. If I put you on this screen, if anyone can explain what's going on while I'm away. Martyn's taking a short break. Anyone over there on TikTok as well? I'm taking a short restroom break. I'll be right back in just a few moments' time from now. Just bear with me a few moments and I'll be right back. In fact, I'll change the screen to this one here. Probably best. At least then someone will know there's someone here. We're keeping an eye on the stocks. It's just up and down today, scalp trading. All right, I'll see you back in just a minute. Please bear with me. Thank you. Okay, thank you ever so much on TikTok. Everyone stayed with me while I took a break, and thank you so much indeed for that. Let's get back to the main position. Okay, we just turned green again. Let me read the comments that came in while I was away. Let's have a look. Mario says, so glad I found this guy on TikTok. It's awesome. Thank you, Mario, for your support to our channel. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to become a member of our channel, we've got members-only videos, special events for members. We got polls, exclusive content. You can call into the show. You can use Discord. Many, many benefits. Celebrate your birthday. Here's an invitation to join. You'll often see it on the browser if you don't see it on the app. Or there's the link. Take you to that as well. Right. Tonight, we've got 2 left of our world music premieres. Remember why we're doing this, to warm up the channel. The other music channel that I have for Virgin Galactic's video coming out soon. And here is tonight's music premiere. And I want everyone to go there now and leave a like, a comment, and get ready. Tonight is Sound of Silence. Here it is. Sound of Silence there is tonight's music premiere. It goes live after the closing bell tonight. It looks like this. There it is on the screen. Wow. We've already got 9 likes. The record is 14 likes during the show. So if we could get that now to 14, break the record, that would be great. So could everyone now go there and leave a like and click reminder, leave a comment below the video as well. Just below the video, you can leave a comment. There's the reminder button. So you're notified if it goes live. Click notification there. That's in 4 hours after the main show this afternoon. And to help the video grow, remember why we're doing this. Not only is it my music and I hope you enjoy it, but of course it's also to promote Virgin Galactic's video when it comes out, the single. All right, so there you go. You can leave a comment below. The Queen has done it. James Tadole has done it. Mike has done it. So only 3 of my members here have done it. And let's see if we can get the likes up. We got 11 now. There we go. 9 to 11. 14 is the record. Join us tonight for the world premiere. I'll give you the link once again. It's on the music channel. Please subscribe, ring the bell. And there it is in the chat. Hopefully you'll join me for Sound of Silence tonight. And tomorrow night is the last one. And then we go over to Christmas songs. And then at the end of the run, it'll be Virgin Galactic. So there we go. Hopefully you'll join me. I'll come back in a minute and see if we've got any more than 14. 14 is our record. We're trying to grow every single day and get a little bit more, and hopefully we will. Right, the overall portfolio is going up. We've still got to do that for Dexter. S&P 500 is up 0.52. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit went down to 232 today. I've got a buy at 2. Tesla is down 4%. Rivian is down. I bought it at 25.90. We got another like on the chat. Thank you ever so much indeed. 28 likes now. Thank you very much indeed. So I go a quick check of the thing. 15 likes. We've beaten the record. Yes. 15 likes tonight. Already great. It will go live after the closing bell tonight. If you got any friends that enjoy my live music, click the share button and put it on your social media, like your Twitter or your Facebook or whatever. Text it somebody. You can do that. That would be absolutely awesome. Thank you so much for supporting that. It helps you because at some point when we release Virgin Galactic, it'll do well for the stock when I do the video and promote it. So it's very important, right? What's happening tomorrow? Tomorrow is the CPI report, and it's also the Jerome Powell speaking live on my show. We're going to cover it live. So it's a huge day tomorrow. My portfolio is either going to rally up to 50,000 or crash down big time. So it's one way or the other. There's no little subtle movement tomorrow. It's up or down big. We know it. We're prepared for it. Well, we're prepared for it as much as we can. We're not really prepared for it. We're just aware of it. That's all. It's very different to be prepared and it is to be aware. Anyway, maybe the sell-off is nothing and it will rise again. Dexter, yes. Cool, Mario. What happened to 900% stock? Did it tank? Which stock was that, by the way? I'm trying to find out. Tilray and Space have had a sell-off. I'm trying to find news about Space and Omnibus. Does anyone have any news? No, I've got no news. I keep looking. I can't find nothing yet. Mike, what did Mike say? Mario, great you found us. It's great to have you here. So glad I found this guy on TikTok. He's awesome. Thank you. Everyone in the market, including Notcher, is expecting S&P 500 to crash back down after hitting the obvious trend line resistance. Kidakazi says, how much up or down potential do you see this week? Oh man. If the CPI rate comes in great and Jerome Powell slows down, my portfolio is going straight through 50 grand. No question. However, if the CPI rate goes up and inflation has not peaked and it gets worse, my portfolio is going in the sort of mid-30s. Oh, yeah. Amam was a scalp. Ed Nevius. Amam was a scalp. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look. What did it do? AMAM. This was the one. This was the one that did 900% yesterday. There you go. Let's have a little look at it. There you go. It's still up 422% on the week though, but today it's down 36%. So there you go. It's a scalp trade. You're still up though, big time. If you bought it, you're still up 300%. You wouldn't care, would you? $100 would have become 300. So you'd still be quite chuffed, wouldn't you? Anyway, S&P is up. Virgin Galactic is up. Virgin Orbit is up. Tesla is down. Rivian is down. Lucid is down. Right, we got up to 15 likes. If we get 16, it's a world record. Every day it gets better. This is great. And we can keep this going up if you click the share button and share. Tonight it is Sound of Silence. And it'll be in the closing bell after the show tonight. I hope you can all be there with me. Thank you very much indeed. That's awesome. 15 likes already. Awesome, awesome, awesome. If you're over on TikTok and you want to be part of my Sound of Silence video tonight, you can. Just come into YouTube now and I'll give you the link. It's a world premiere. I'm doing it because every night, I'm the world piano man, and every night I release a single and a music video. And the idea is, not only I hope you enjoy it, but in a couple of days' time, we're going to go over to Christmas songs. And then at the end of the Christmas run, we're going to release the Virgin Galactic single. And hopefully that will promote the Virgin Galactic stock. And I'm spending all the money I make on the video on Virgin Galactic. So if you want to be part of our army here on YouTube, and you want to be part of our world premieres every night, come into YouTube right now. It's youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. The link's in the profile, or just type Martyn Lucas Investor, the same name as this channel, into YouTube. I'm live there right now. Say, hey, I'm from TikTok. I would like to be in your free cash prize draw. I'll give you the link to our free prize draw. Also, you can watch our live premiere tonight of Sounds of Silence, and you can be part of our family and our army. We're trying to, do big things here on YouTube and TikTok. So come and join us, all right? You can't see the link on TikTok, and I can't share the video on TikTok because of copyright reasons, but you can see it on YouTube if you come and join me. Anyway. Watch APVO. Let's have a little look. APVO. Aptivo. This is from Queen of Self-Braiding. It's up 51% today. My God, look at all these stocks that are popping like this. I'm missing all these. Who's getting all this? Did you get this today? What do they do? Biotechnology company, classic. All this therapeutic stuff explodes on good news, but can be dumped just as quick. If you're in pharmaceutical stocks, biotechnology stocks, and they break through, boy, they go up quick. This morning plays were APFO and HGTM, Ed Nevius. The reason Cavani is down, well, Cavani is restructuring, and I think Lucy is doing just about the same thing. Restructuring, do you think? You think it will be around? What does it mean when the global risk sentiment leans towards a continued weakening dollar? Weakening dollar is good. Weakening dollar is good, Dexter, because recently the dollar has got so strong, the pound and the euro are so weak against the dollar, that all the profits for the companies like Tesla, for example, and Apple selling in foreign countries, their profits were greatly reduced by the dollar being so strong. We need the dollar to come down. That is good. We want weakening dollar. That is good. That is what everybody wants. We want a balance. We don't want the dollar being so strong, because not only does it take profits out of companies trading abroad, but it also means people sell their stocks and buy the dollar instead, because the dollar is making them more money. We want that to go down. I did put it on Discord this morning. I missed it, Queen. I missed it. I missed it. This morning I was in all kinds of problems with my streaming software to get live with you guys. I missed all the trades this morning. I didn't see any of it. And the issue, by the way, if anyone's interested, I know you're probably not, but it was Restream. Restream had the problem this morning. It's why we're only on YouTube now. We're not on Twitch or Facebook or anywhere else. Unfortunately, that's what happened this morning. And they've explained it was their fault. So hopefully they'll fix it. Rivian is 26.26. I've got 25.90 today. An article I read that the dollar is trending down and it will go that way for a bit. Dexter, that's what we want. That is what we want. And this is what I'm saying. I think that inflation has peaked. I think CPI tomorrow will be good. I'm optimistic. Even though, I'm in all kinds of pain at the moment. Remember, we've always said you got to work on the red days. The green days, you just sit back and relax. This is the time that you decide to invest or not. What was the CPI rate in, what are we now? So CPI rate in October, I think it was mid-8s? Mid 7.7. Right, the CPI rate was 7.7 for October. And what we're looking for is November. That'll be out tomorrow. So if we get anything below 7.7, we're going in the right direction. Because you saw what happened last month. Everything rallied, right? The November Consumer Price Index, due Tuesday, is projected to show that the inflation is moderating. It's running about 3 times its pandemic pace. The CPI rate is rising 0.3 for a second month and is 6.1 from a year ago. So hopefully we'll see low 7s tomorrow. Anything below, 7.7 is bad. Don't get me wrong, but anything moving in the right direction. The previous month, I think it was 8.2, 8.3, then it was 7.2. If we can get a 7.1 tomorrow or 6, it's still bad, but it's moving in the right direction. That's what we're looking for tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get that. I think we will. Anyway. Try ONCT. ONCT. You want me to look at ONCT? Let's have a little look. ONCT. You like your therapeutics, don't you? Another one that's popped up, right? 4% today. Sorry, hang on. Oh, it's down today, 7.8. At the moment, I can't touch any of these stocks. I'm so underwater. My stocks are so down. I can't take any risks. All I'm doing at the moment is buying, adding to my position that I'm already in, lowering my averages, trying to improve my positions. I can't touch anything like this at the moment, I'm afraid. I need some certainty. It's like buying the S&P 500. Just need to buy that and hold that, What time in the morning? It'll be 7:30 in the morning, so we're going to go live 15 minutes early tomorrow morning. 15 minutes early tomorrow morning because the show is at 7:30. The CPI rate comes out at 7:30. I want to be live at 7:15. So we're going live 15 minutes earlier tomorrow morning. So join me 15 minutes earlier tomorrow morning. Right. Today's premiere. 14 was the record. 14 likes. Let's have a look at it. There it is in the chat. Let's have a little look. We are now up to 15 likes for tomorrow. 14 was the record. If you've not yet liked it, please do join us for the after hours tonight for Sound of Silence. There we go. It's got 15 likes so far. The record was 14 until now. We've got 15. Great. Thank you very much. I thought it was 16 a minute ago. How come it went down one? Anyway, never mind. Where are we? Back to the main stocks. So all we're doing now is there's going to be no more action today. We're just going to go up and down, left and right, in and out, all over the place. There is no reason for anything to do anything right now because until tomorrow, we're just going to go sideways. There's nothing we can do about it. We've just got to wait. Got to have patience now. Okay. A quick commercial break. I'll be back in 10 seconds from now. Tomorrow is soccer. You mean football. I'm not interested anymore. England not involved. America's out. England's out. It's rubbish. Not interested. Yeah, I can't get excited anymore. England's heartbroken. We're really fed up. OSK. If you come onto YouTube, I can review a stock for you. I can't review stocks for people on TikTok, I'm afraid. I need you to be on youtube.com/@ Martyn Lucas Investor. Same name as this channel. Links in the profile. Or just type Martyn Lucas Investor into YouTube. I'm live there right now. This is my broadcast. I can put you on the screen. I can review stocks for you. I can put you in our cash prize giveaway. It's free. All sorts of stuff. Anyway. Mercury Machine. We've got a new guest just arrived. Welcome to you, Mercury Machine. Did you come over from TikTok? I want to welcome you to the show. My name is Martyn Lucas. This is my TV studio. Let me give you a wave. How are you doing? Hello. We're live here in Dallas, Texas. Even though the studio, even though I'm from England originally, welcome to our show. Would everybody please welcome Mercury Machine in? If you like Mercury, I can do the voice of Freddie Mercury. I'm actually the world piano man. In this studio, I do live music every night, and we've got a world premiere tonight on our channel. And hopefully you'll join me for that. If you want to join me for my music premiere tonight, Sound of Silence tonight, here is Lou just said Queen of Celebrating. Yeah, I know. There we go. There is my music premiere tonight. And we've already got 15 likes on it. Here we go. Here we go. You can see 15 likes on it. This is tonight's show. Premieres. Hopefully you'll join me for that. Hello, says Mercury Machine. Lovely to have you here. The overall portfolio, you can see, is just bouncing up and down on the line. It's all to do with CPI tomorrow. It's going to do this now all day until tomorrow. If the figures come in the low 7s or even 6s, it's going to be a great, great end to the year. Everything will move up. Everything will be great. If it goes the other way, well, it'll be the other way. You know what that means. S&P's going up. Virgin Galactic is going up. Virgin Orbit is still going down. I've got to buy it too. Tesla. Want to buy it at 160. What do you think? You know, buying it around this price. What do you think about that option? It doesn't want to go to 160. It keeps bouncing off. Look, 167. I don't know if it's going to go any lower. What's up with that 900 stock? Did it tank? It's down like 36%, Bill. Not all the way down. It's still up. It's still up 300%. So, but anyway, Tesla. It's been going sideways now for a month. Look, it bounces off 168. Look. I can't get it at 160. I'm inclined to buy another share of Tesla. What does everybody think about that? I think the CPI rate will be good tomorrow. I think the dollar going down is good. My last buy-in, the lowest I've ever paid, was 170.34. I can't remember, Bill. We had it on screen a minute ago. Just rewind the videos. I can't remember what it was. Was it ACCM or something like that? I can't remember now. I think Tesla... CPI, I reckon it will be low 7s, and that'll be good. Anything 7.1, of course, that's still bad, but it's going in the right direction. It was 7.7 last month. I do think it's going to go down there. I like Tesla. I like Tesla that the fact it's sat there and I don't know if it's going to go to 160 because it's holding where it was a month ago. And tomorrow I think it's going to rally. So my all-time low was 170.34. It's there now. Near enough there now. I shared your... Oh, fantastic. Mario, so I shared your Sound of Science video on my Twitter and my Facebook. Thank you so much. Hey. Awesome stuff. Well, let's hopefully we get a nice crowd for that tonight then. That's the premiere tonight. Nice one, Mario. Appreciate it a lot. Can I check Jewel? I can if you're a member to our channel. If you are a channel, there are many perks for you as a member, but you need to be a member, Mercury Machine. And I will review a stock. I will make a video on it. I might even buy it. Here is the invitation to join. There are exclusive, many perks and benefits if you want to be a member. Ask anyone. You'll see we have the highest engagement rate of memberships to live viewers on YouTube. Nearly everyone is a member. Let me do a poll here. Do you think, no. Right, should I buy a Tesla? Hang on. It's not going down to 160. It's been a month now like this. I would love to learn my averages. I really would. Start a poll. Should I buy Tesla? Should I buy Tesla at this price? Yes. Whoops. Do you see it going lower? It's my all-time low now. It's my all-time low. Is it going down to 160, 150? I don't know. It doesn't seem to. There we go. It's my all-time low now. Yes. Tesla investors. Yes, absolutely right. Yeah, I just bought one. I just bought another one. Did you already find out? I think it was... oh, yeah, Ambrax. That's it. That's the one. I think Tesla will go lower. Even Elon says it's overpriced. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he said that a long time ago. That was when it was 40% up from here, though. Yeah, I appreciate you. You talk a lot about the stocks that I am very interested in. I keep keep things simplistic. Thank you. My pleasure. I've just bought another Tesla. Got 50 shares now. I've got to buy at 160. I don't know if it's going to go to 160. I mean, it's been going around this point now for a month. It bounced off 168 last time. I'm going to buy another one. 170. 20. 170, 20. Yeah, 170, 18. Another all-time low. That's my all-time low. I'm down the same amount of money on my Tesla also as you are, 2,700. Stop buying, it's going to at least 120. Ali Tisra says, stop buying, it's going to at least 120. See, I would have thought that was possible. The reason why I'm looking at the chart, always looking at charts. 168, it bounced off 168 before, and I think the CPI rate tomorrow is going to be good. The dollar is going down, which is good. The interest rates are going to still be up tomorrow, 0.5. Jerome Powell, I think, is going to be quite positive, I think. So I think we could have a rally tomorrow, and this is the last opportunity. So I don't know if it's going to go much lower. I don't know. No one else does either. I don't have the money to buy shares. Says Kidakazi. 170. So my new all-time low now, I've just bought one at another one at 170.18. 64% are saying yes, buy. 36% say no. Ali Tisrose here, one of our gold members, has been since the very beginning. His badge will turn gold soon. He's got a yellow badge. It will be gold soon. Lovely to have you here, Ali. Thank you so much for being a gold member, continually supporting this show. We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for people like you. Thank you so, so much. We've got a world premiere tonight. Here is the link to the music premiere tonight. Every night it gets a bit better. And if you keep sharing it on your social media, hopefully we'll grow the channel, my music channel. So here is the world premiere. Tonight is Sound of Silence. We have one more tomorrow, and then we start our Christmas songs. Here it is. We've got 15 likes already. It's tonight after the bell goes. I hope you'll all share click the share button here and share it on your social media. And we've got 15, which is the world record now. Hopefully we can get 16 likes on it before it starts. That'll be just one more than last time. So we've just bought another Tesla. All-time low for me. 1, 2, 3, 7, 14, 21. That's 521 old money. 521 older money. Remember, it was 1,200. It's half price of its peak. Half price of its peak. So, I bought another one. I think tomorrow's going to be good, and we could get a rally on this. We will find out tomorrow. It's going to be a very dramatic swing. It's either going to go dramatically up or dramatically down. It's not going to be a gradual day at all. So prepare for that. Tesla, the S&P 500 is going up. Virgin Galactic is going up. Just dropped back a bit from earlier. Virgin Orbit recovering a little bit. Tesla's now 170.45. Buy Neo. No, I'm not really interested in Neo. I don't like Chinese stocks. I never have. DNA is also up. Ginkgo Bioworks. Fantastic. Good, good. I'm out of that one right now. Tilray Brands is doing well today. Waiting for the bill to go through. Enphase Energy is up, always up. BSV today is up 4.77. Bitcoin is also up today. Only a tiny little bit though. Ethereum is also up today. Tiny bit. But BSV every day now goes up 5 or 10% a day. Waiting for another leg down. Maybe 40% more on most stocks. God. I'm already down like 50%, Ali. If I go down another 40%, I'm in all kinds of bother, including Tesla and Apple, etc. If that happens, yeah, I'm in trouble. Yeah. Anyway, let's hope not, eh? Right, I think I'm going to have to get off in a second because I need to make some more videos to put out. Because I make no money from going live. I need to make some videos, try to find some money from somewhere. When you buy a next bull run, 1 to 3 years will be nice. Then you buy, wait for it to go down 40% and then buy. Well, that would be great. If I knew that was going to happen, of course, that would be brilliant. If tomorrow the market does not rally, we're in big trouble. Yes, we are. Yeah. It's now a matter of faith. You've got to decide whether you get in now. Because tomorrow is the make and break day, really. Tomorrow we've got CPI to reaffirm if we've got 2 months in a row of inflation coming down. And we've also got the reaction Jerome Powell the following day. And then the Santa rallies all come at once. If it's great, then it's going to be fantastic. It's going to be great. But if tomorrow the figures are bad, there's way more pain to come. And no one knows the answer to that. No one knows. We'll find out tomorrow, though. We'll be live on the show to cover it. Tesla's now 170.29. My most recent buy was 170.18. I'm down 24%, though. And that's the thing. When you buy single shares and you've already got 51, it doesn't. You don't see your average drop very much. It doesn't really make that much difference. I'd have to buy 50 shares of $8,000 to come down 12%. Is it possible it will go sideways? No, it isn't, ETORO. I think tomorrow it's going to be a massive down or a massive up. If the CPI is bad news, I'm jumping off my apartment. See? There you go. That's Kidakazi. That is true. Yeah. Is it possible it will go sideways? No. When you went to 40,000 to nearly 50,000, that's when you take out 10 grand for your cash. We always try and tell you, at least I do. I know, Ali. I know. You know, and I was 1,800 up. I was 1,800 up on Tilray. I was a couple of grand up on Tesla. I was a couple of grand up on Space. And now I'm the reverse. Not just zero, I'm the reverse. So, yeah, I've left 6 grand on the table. No question. I know, mate. When will the report go? It goes live at 7:30 in the morning. It will go live 10 minutes after I go live. 15 minutes after I go live in the morning. Join me 15 minutes early tomorrow morning because I'm going to be there before the announcement and it will come within 15 minutes of my show. So join me tomorrow morning. We should hear from Congress about marijuana reforms around 11 o'clock. If we don't hear anything, it should be sure sometime this week. Go Tilray. What did Dexter say? Tesla starting to go up again. Well, I've just got one at 170.20, whatever it was, my all-time low. Let's see what happens. I could lot sale and take lots of small micro trades. I could sell 2 shares I've just bought and make sure I sell those. Look, they're both up. They're both up like 50 cents. I could make $1 and sell 2, and I could do that. But lot selling is really, really complicated. Well, it's not complicated, but it's very time consuming. And you can keep lowering your average and keep trimming off the small amounts. If Robinhood made it simple for me, I would just buy and sell, buy and sell. If I could just choose now to sell my 2 shares that I bought this morning, I would. Absolutely I would. And then I just keep doing that over and over again, making $1. Learn the average. Profit. I would. Unfortunately, Robinhood doesn't allow me to do that. I can do it via the email, but it's so confusing. Anyway, 10,000 XRP would be 100 grand in 10 years, in a few years, and 50 grand by the end of 2023. Ali Tisro says, no point in trying to make 50 cents when you have thousands of dollars of collateral. No. Right. I think we'll wrap it up there, and I'll get some videos out. I'll also get back in touch with Restream and see if their service is now fixed. They said it will take like 2 days. Like, well, bloody hell, 2 days? Fix it now. Anyway, let's see what Tilray are doing. Still just going sideways. SPCE's going back down again. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, 170.60. Martin, you better pray tonight. Yeah, Ali Tisro, that's nice to hear. I have about 5,000. There you go. Shad's happy about that. Excellent stuff. Right, okay, let's do Day Trader of the Day. Let's bring everybody up to date with a quick commercial break. Let's make sure everybody's live. And I'll be right back in 10 seconds, and we'll do Day Trader of the Day. Ali Tisro has given me a really big warning there. Okay, here we go. I'll be right back in 10 seconds. Portfolio still going down. Tesla still going down. Let's have a quick look at the we'll do Day Trader of the Day. There's how many people have come through the show today? 156. That's good. Bit of a confusion this morning, of course. We're gaining any more subscribers? No, we're at 5778. And there we go. There's 33 likes, 25 watching. Thank you ever so much indeed. We are going to do Day Trader of the Day now, I think. And then I've got some videos to make. Get some videos done this morning before the closing bell. And then our world premiere tonight. One final look at today's music premiere. If you're going to join me, please click share on the video. It really, really helps. We're trying to get more and more views every day. Here is the music premiere. We got 17 likes. Wow. 14 was the record this morning before the show airs. That's great. 17 likes already. Fantastic. Great. Thank you so much for that. Sounds of Silence tonight. I hope you all enjoy it and join me for the after hours world premiere. Okay. So, day trader of the day. I'll post my score and give you 1 minute on the clock. I am down 0.37. Not very much at all, but it's all bracing for tomorrow. There you go. Let me give you 1 minute on the clock. When the first person posts, we shall run it. Put your scores in. Make sure that everyone's up to date. Press the live button to make sure that you're up to date. And then you can share your score with me. Let's see who's winning or losing today. Just waiting for everyone to post their score, and I will post it with you. 0.51. Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit, Tesla, 170.80. In bear market, if you see a relief rally, sell, 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 and buy back in a couple of months, it always goes down further. And if you really want to buy back, it makes you feel better to have shares. Here we go. We're seeing all the scores come in now. Here we go. So I'm down 0.37. Let's put a minute on the clock. Let's do it. Down 0.69. Down, up 3.08. That could be a winning score, up 0.02. So Dexter Sickles up 6%. Whoa, Shad is absolutely, sorry, Ali Tisrose absolutely crushed it. Our gold member, fantastic, awesome stuff. We're about to roll the credits. If anybody wants their name in the credits, do a super chat, or you can do a free super chat if you want to. If you've got, some of you got free ones to go and celebrate your memberships. Or if you become a member or anything like that, your name will be in the credits. Okay. A few seconds to go. That looks like our scores are all in. Ali Tisro, no one's going to beat that today. Great, Ali Tisro, congratulations. Mohammed is up 1.84. William Wallace is up 1. Fantastic. Let me share everyone's scores. Thank you, William. Lovely stuff. But our winner this morning, Ali Tisra, up 6%. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Let's give him the thumbs up and the sound effects. Absolutely great. All right, Ali Tisro. Very, very good indeed. It's time to roll the credits. Someone could say roll the credits. I don't think there's going to be much. Didn't get any super chats or any members today, I don't think. So here we go. I will see you back for the closing bell this afternoon. Following that, we have the world premiere of Sound of Silence, and then, of course, tomorrow morning, going 15 minutes early with CPI report, and then Jerome Powell on Wednesday. Flipping heck. Get ready for one explosive couple of days. I've already predicted a Santa rally. Let's see if I'm right. Send on Discord. What have you done on Discord? Hang on a minute. Ali Tisro has sent something on Discord. Not in the welcome all, YouTube live, YouTube premiere. Oh, hang on, he sent me a private message. That's the Ledger live app. Make sure to get a Ledger. I've got my Ledger. I've got a Ledger. What's the point you're making, mate? Up 6%. Oh, you wanted to share what you've done? Is that what you mean? Up 6% on his XRP. Remember, it's got to be your overall portfolio, but we'll give it to you because you're a gold member. You're special, right? There you go. Always on his trades. Oh, I see. Oh, I see what you're doing. Yes, always. Absolutely. There's our ledger from Ali Tisro. I will share with you my ledger as well. As we're sharing ledgers, I'll share. Look, mine. Here's mine. Look. My Bitcoin today is down. There you go. I'm down 2 $2.60 today, as you can see. If I go on the day position, yeah, I'm down 1%. There you go. All right. We're all sharing our ledgers today. Right, let's go to the end screen. I'm going to end the roll of credits. There isn't any credits, I wouldn't have thought. That's it. I'll see you back in a couple of hours. Any members? Mark celebrated. But that's it from me. I'll see you back in a bit. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.